Hey guys, Portia here and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a little painting. I'm in the midst of changing or redecorating my craft room, and I wanted to have an accent wall. So we are putting on Valspar's Hazy Purple. It is in a satin finish. Straight out the can, it reminds me of Laffy Taffy, one of my favorite candies. And on top of that satin finish, we are going to use a glitter paint. So we're using Rust-Oleum Glitter Iridescent in clear. This is a great combination you want to put on a base coat before you use a glitter to make the color pop, and iridescent is just going to pick up the various shades in the room. So depending upon if it's light outside or dark outside, I'm going to get a different kind of finish, which is why I chose the iridescent. Have never done a project like this before, so once the wall is completely done, I am going to share my thoughts about it with you all. So let's go. All right guys, I just finished 3 coats of the glitter. The bling is real. We're gonna go ahead and let it dry, and I'll be back with the final results. All right guys, we are 100% dry, and I am happy with the results. I absolutely would use this product again, but I do have a couple of tips that may be helpful. So like I just mentioned, I am very satisfied with the results. I absolutely would use this product again. And what I wanted to do after seeing so many mixed reviews online, of course I decided to take the plunge for myself. What I did was took some of the tips from the highest rated reviews and try to ensure that I got the best result as possible, right? So first off, I want to let you know my wall was 80 square feet. I ended up using 1 full can and about, let's say, 3/4 of the next. So yeah, and then from there, the other thing I want to tell you is to mix often. When you first get this product, all the glitter is settled at the bottom. So you want to stir to ensure that you bring all the glitter to the top, so when you do roll it on, that it rolls on evenly. So with that being said about mixing often, I did only pour small amounts into my tray at a time so that I could put on thin layers, and it rolled on so smoothly. It was like literally like butter. So I'm definitely pleased with the way it went on. The other tip I want to tell you is to ensure that the room is warm. So I ended up bringing in a space heater. It got hot in here. I was like, okay, this is getting ridiculous. But I wanted to keep the temperature of the room at 75 degrees to ensure that my layers were, thick, and the paint was nice and warm, and it wasn't too cold in here. I do believe with me doing those things, that from the other reviews that I read online, it did help for me to get a really, really good result. Like I said, I did end up doing 3 coats, but if you want a more blingy effect, you would do more coats. So yeah, that's all I have for you today. If you got any questions, concerns, emotional outbursts, let me know. But until next time, peace.